Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Suzanne and this is Face to Face Beauty, where I teach you how to do your makeup. Today I was asked to talk a little bit about eyeliner. So I'll put a little something together for you and let's begin. As you can see, I've already done my makeup. The only thing that's missing is some eyeliner and my lips and some lashes. So I want to show you how I put that together. It's pretty simple and easy and quick. So I'm going to start with of course I can't see. Where are my glasses? There are the glasses. Whoops, and I'm knocking things over. Here are the glasses by the Moxie Lash Magnetic Eyeliner. It's a gel. And I'd like to start with that. And I'm going to be layering different magnetic lash liners. I've found that when I do, they last longer. There's a stronger hold. So I'm showing you what I do. And then, of course, you can do whatever you want. So this is the liner. And I've got a little eyeliner brush to go along with that. And here, let's just dip in here and adjust the mirror, and I'm just gonna line. Now, for those of you who have watched these videos before, know that I like to start from the outside in. So here we go. I also wanna say thank you for stopping by today. For those of you who know me, and for those of you who are new, thanks. Please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that notification bell so that you know every time I load up a video so you can watch. It's pretty simple. So as you can see, I'm going from the outside, I'm moving in. This liner is a little stiff. It's not that creamy. I don't know if it ever was. I live in Arizona, so the air is pretty dry here. And so, I don't know if it dried it out, but this is fairly new, as you can see. I haven't used that much out of it, but, and I really don't remember it being really that creamy. But I am placing this pretty heavily here on my lash line. So this now needs to dry while I do the other eye. So, of course, I also have to say this is a non-sponsored video. One of these days, I'm going to surprise you and say, oh, we've got a sponsor. But today is not the day. I show you what I do with what I have and what I've purchased myself, besides, of course, the Ipsy and the Allure boxes where I don't choose what I get. It's a surprise. And I love those surprises. So, but yeah, that's what I do. I use what I have, what I choose for myself, pretty much. Okay, so this first layer is on. And because, let's see, we're again, very nude. Let's add a little color while this dries. And I've got a brush here and a little Morphe palette like this. And I'm going to go a little plum today. It is in the purple family, and I love purple, and so I like plum too. And the color that I'm going to be using is Scene, this one right here. So I am going to wet this paper towel here so that I can pick up that color with my little brush like this, wetting that brush, dampening those bristles, and then picking up that color with this, just like this. Kind of turning it into a liquid liner. I just like the way I can control the color by wetting that brush. So let's place a little bit of this color underneath the lash line. I start from the outside and I move in. Can you see? Just like that. Easy. Wetting that brush again, loading up. And the nice thing about moistening those bristles is also it kind of lowers the occurrence of fallout. And I don't know about you, but I really want to avoid having all the color pigment drop on my cheeks, and then I have to go clean it up and it can get messy. So by moistening that brush, it kind of alleviates that problem to a certain extent. All right, so I've done the bottom. Oh, I do like up that plum. Now I'm gonna go over the top, but not quite on what I just placed, with that plum as well. And I'm going to, again, start from the outside, and I'm just gonna follow the line that I did on the top edge of the liner. See how easy that is? It kind of makes it an ombre. You can use a brown with that. You can use a blue with that. Kind of smokes it out just a little. Although we're not done. We're far from done. I'm going to be adding a different magnetic liner after this. Of course, you don't have to do this step. You can go directly to the second magnetic liner, or whatever liners that you use. You don't necessarily have to be using magnetic liners if you're not using magnetic lashes. So that's that, or there's that. All right, so I kind of like the way this looks. Can you see? Let's do the other eye. Loading up that brush and bringing that line right. It's like you're lining your liner. I think that's a good way to put it. I'm lining my liner with this plum, a very, very thin line, a little thicker on the outside. We're still doing a wedge, and thinner on the inside corner of the eye. Just like that. All right, I've given my first magnetic liner enough time to dry. Now I'm going to go into, let me tell you this is more of a liquid. This is the Magnitude Magnetic Liner from Tori Bell. Tori Bell does an amazing job with the magnetic lashes. I don't know what I did with mine. I wore them out one night and I don't know where I put them. I'm so sorry. I don't know. Maybe in a purse somewhere. I know I took the case. Can't find it. Maybe I need to look through all my purses now. All right, so that's what this looks like. And it's a very shiny black liner I really like. So I'm going to place this right over the first black that I applied this on. And I'm going to start on the middle and pull out and move in like this. And I must say, when you use magnetic lashes, it is hugely important that you let that liner dry. It won't stick on wet liner. So, and also that means if you have teary eyes, that if it's particularly teary on a day, it's not going to stick. Ask me why. I know why, because this side tears a lot. And sometimes I've just have to give up the idea of using magnetic lashes because that eye just wouldn't stop tearing. Okay, so the second coat has been applied. And while that dries, and that's going to take a bit, let's do some lips. That's why I didn't do my lips. I knew this was going to happen and planned for it. So let's put on those glasses. I'm going to put a lip liner on. This is from Elizabeth Arden, and it's called Ballet Blush number 5. It's a very pretty pinky, nude pink maybe. And I'm going to just go over my lips real quick as I feel my liner dry. I only have a little bit of foundation and powder on my lips today. And here we go. Bottom is done. I'm really liking the way this looks. See? And it's still drying. I can still feel that it's wet. Building up this lash. I'm no longer as asymmetrical as I used to be. My daughter did a treatment on me. It's like a lip flip, but done with Artisan. So it pulls this off just a slight bit, and I can tell a difference. Not bad. I wish you could just make me symmetrical all over me. Maybe I'll let her. All right. Lip liner is on. Now it is. I'm good. And the lip color I'm using is from Armani. And this color is called, oh good. Good Lord. It's so small. Rouge d'Armani. Rouge d'Armani matte. And the color is 500. And then there's more numbers. And that is 62R 500. If that tells you anything. It's a really pretty pink. Pinky, peachy. Really pretty. It's one of my favorite type of color, a pinky peach that can go either way. Could go, it's very, I guess you can call it, it's a neutral. So, all right, let's apply. Yes, it is matte. And it's applied. Ooh, this is really pretty. Yeah, I don't wear this enough. I keep forgetting how pretty this is. But you know what? I think I want a little shine to this. Yeah, I do. All right, I got a lip gloss here. Let's see. From Floss. Floss. Does it say anything? Yes, let me take the time to read this to you as well. Because, you know, we're still drying. LAX, my new favorite lip gloss. That's what it's called. Color LAX. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this lip gloss right here. Oh, yeah. In the center of my lips. I think I want to put it all over. Oh, yeah. I love this combination. Too bad we're still in masks when we go out. No one gets to see this outside of the house. And of course, you good people on my YouTube channel. Wow. I like this color. Anyway, okay, let's move back to the lashes now. I'm using Kiss lashes because I can't find my Tory Bells. And my liner is now dry, and you can see how beautiful that now is with the two liners. And that's the effect that I wanted. Okay, so let's place this on right here. Whoops. Easy peasy, just like that. That eyeliner just grabs that magnet and you're done. and ready. There we go. Okay. This is how I do my eyeliners when I'm using my lashes. You don't have to use lashes to do this. I think it's pretty. What do you think? Until next time, everybody, I would love to hear from you. If you have any suggestions, any questions, please leave a comment and I will do a video just for you. Until next time. Now, until next time. Love to you all.